Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable ghost and pumpkin tumbler using one of my past designer and craft makers boxes. If you guys want more information about those, join my free Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. I give everyone there a heads up when they release, and once they're gone, they are gone. This is also a tumbler template from my mentorship group. You can join this month and get it for free, or you can just wait and it will be released to my Etsy at a later date. Now I have cut out my template on some double-sided sticky sheet, and then I am just going to take a razor blade and cut off the excess of the sticky sheet from my template. These are the vinyl sheets you get with my craft makers box. You get the ghosts and then the flowers in the 12 by 12, and then you also get a smaller scale version as well in the 6 by 6, which is great for pens, keychains, badge rails, etc. We're going to use both patterns for our tumbler today, so I cut my template out on both 12 by 12 pattern sheets. I'm going to remove this section on the sticky sheet, and I'm going to remove the same exact section from the pattern vinyl, and we are going to transfer that over to the sticky sheet. I do that very easily by placing the piece of vinyl on a piece of parchment paper, and then I just transfer it over to the sticky sheet. I like to apply everything that's going to lay flat while it's flat. So any vinyl or micas or foils. And then when I like to apply the glitter, I go ahead and apply the template to my tumbler. At this point, I couldn't really decide if I wanted to add the additional pattern vinyl that had the flowers on it or not. So I just went ahead and applied the template to my tumbler so I could decide where I wanted to add those flowers. This pattern had like 2 V sections on each side, and this is where I decided I wanted to add those flowers. But these flowers are a little bit bigger in scale, and I didn't want to lose the flowers in just a small V section like I have pulled. So I ended up removing all 3 sections of that V section and applying that with the flowers. we are going to apply our glitter. We're going to use the 3 glitters that came in this box. They are Wilted, Ghost, and Dreary. If you guys are interested in my boxes, join my free Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. They are released to my mentorship group first, and then the extras are released second, and then they're kind of first come first serve, and I give you guys all a heads up in my Diamonds and Dust group first. They tend to go pretty quick. If you want them continuously, I have an option in my mentorship group where you get the box every single month without fighting for them, and the elite tier where you get the craft makers box, you get my mentorship group for free. So that one definitely is the best bang for your buck. So I'm just going to apply these glitters by removing each section and applying the glitter. Now, if you have a metallic glitter, it will cover really well. If you have any sort of an opaque or a translucent, it will probably need either a base coat or 2 coats of glitter. That's totally up to you. There was one section that was like a triangle section on the bottom, and I decided to add Wilted to that. And then on the bottom, I just painted it with a base coat because there was no sticky tape there, and then applied some glitter glue and applied the glitter Ghost. I have added 2 layers of epoxy to my tumbler until it is smooth, and then I cut out 2 different sizes of vinyl striping in kind of this metallic bronze. I took the thicker sections around each section of the V, and then anything in the center, I used the thinner sections. On that top section where we took 2 separate V's and applied them so we didn't lose all of the flowers, you will still see the cut lines, but we're just going to take a thin piece of vinyl striping and cover them. Add your final layers of epoxy and your cute ghost Halloween tumbler is all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.